Our top tips for 2022 travel planning. As travel slowly comes back, it's time to start planning those much-needed getaways we all know and love. If you're planning your postponed vacation for 2022 travel, there's a lot more to think about than in the past. Whether it's a Cancun vacation or a Jamaica getaway, arranging a vacation is more complicated than ever. And so the key to a stress-free trip is all about preparation. From making sure your passport is valid to researching the destinations open to American travelers, here are our top tips on planning a vacation this year, straight from our experts. Choose a destination. From several Caribbean and Mexican favorites to dream destinations like the Maldives Islands in the Indian Ocean, there's plenty to pick from to satisfy families, couples, and even groups. With the situation changing so often, it's essential to stay flexible. You have your perfect trip planned, so now the only thing to do is to look for some possible dates to travel on. Check out the public holidays, possible vacation dates at your work and your kids' school holidays. Have a few options ready for each of those trips, and book it once you're sure you can make it. Know when your travel credit expires. Whether it's from a cruise line, an airline, or anywhere else, if you have future travel credit from a canceled trip, it's important to know the expiration date. Some travel credits were initially good for use within 1 year, from booking or departure date. However, a variety of companies have extended their waivers. This means your specific credit may expire fairly soon, or it may be good through 2022. To verify your expiry date, contact your transportation company or ask your Liberty travel consultant to help. In the rapidly changing landscape, knowing the current guidelines and restrictions is essential. To best provide you with the knowledge you need, we've gathered a number of important resources to help you plan your perfect trip within our new Traveler Resources Hub. From airport regulations to resort and hotel health enhancements, you'll find a wealth of information in one place. Also visit the COVID-19 Travel Map, which is searchable by destination to discover up-to-date travel restrictions, such as border closures, social distancing rules, status of transportation services. In addition, you can also get daily updates on worldwide airline policies, immigration and border regulations, and international travel alerts. To avoid constantly eating out and racking up a big bill, consider finding a local grocery store and filling up your hotel fridge with bottled drinks. Carry a backpack with you if you're going to be doing a lot of walking, and keep bottled drinks with you because you will get thirsty. It will be hot outside, and big cities like New York, New Orleans and Nashville are concrete jungles that will absorb the summer sun and make it difficult to stay hydrated. Additionally, trying to find places to grab a quick drink for less than $5, even for a bottle of water, is going to be hard in tourist cities. Stop by Walmart and get some supplies to make sub sandwiches or something easy to eat. They are great to stop in local parks and grab a quick bite, or maybe even on a boat in the ocean or on the lake, where you can keep them in a cooler. Wear comfortable clothing and shoes. Dressing nice isn't the most important thing on vacation. Yes, you look great for that one picture. But you're going to be miserable walking in strappy heels or brand new sandals. Tennis shoes are ideal. For example, Skechers makes a lot of comfortable shoes with memory foam in the sole for when you're on your feet all day. They are especially good if you plan to go to an amusement park this summer. Sure, bring a few nice outfits for going out to a nice dinner or a concert and such. But if you're on walking tours, in museums and amusement parks, or doing general sightseeing, a shirt and shorts are plenty fine. But watch those tan lines in the summer sun. Keep on enjoying nature. We were all crazy about nature during the last 2 years. And it comes with no surprise when we know what kind of a situation we were in during that time. However, we also learned to appreciate some beautiful sceneries and that great feeling we have while hiking, swimming, or just spending time in some lovely nature. This year, you could take that to the next level and plan to spend some time in nature of an exotic destination you're going to visit. It could be some beautiful mountains, exploring the islands, walking through a forest, or enjoying in anything else you don't have in a place where you live. It seems that during the last 2 years, we all started to take care of our physical and mental health much more than before. So, why not create a well-being holiday for yourself this year? It could be a yoga retreat, spending time at a hotel with a lovely swimming pool and spa facilities, or just meditating a lot during your trip. Be a responsible traveler. It seems the pandemic switched our focus from responsible traveling during the last couple of years. People are making a massive impact on the environment, and climate changes are visible in every corner of the earth. We shouldn't forget to be responsible travelers despite the pandemic. It could be trying to avoid unnecessary flights, take care of the environment while traveling, avoid using plastics, or give back to local communities. One of my top tips for traveling in 2022 is to be a responsible traveler because climate change is the problem that will stay here for much longer than the pandemics. Think about using travel insurance. We always recommend the purchase of travel insurance, regardless of the circumstance or destination. You never know what situations might arise, so it's a good idea to be protected just in case. Trip delays, interruptions, or even cancellations can cause unexpected headaches and expenses. But travel insurance can help make sure you are protected for adjustments you need to overcome these situations. Some plans contain cancellation benefits, and if you have a covered reason, you can be reimbursed for prepaid non-refundable expenses, like a medical emergency or loss of employment before your trip even begins. This can especially be important when traveling in 2022. Having vacation flexibility is more important than ever, knowing that the unexpected can occur and that even the most certain plans can change. Our expert consultants work with our partners to advocate on your behalf, not only providing you with the best value, but also ensuring you can book with complete confidence through our peace of mind packages. This means you get to book with confidence thanks to no penalties on cancellation and/or booking changes up to 24 hours prior to the check-in date at select resorts and airlines. This incentive also includes hotels and resorts with enhanced cleaning protocols and increased health standards, and personalized assistance with reservations and emergencies while traveling. Ensure your documents are still valid. The key to a stress-free 2022 trip is all about preparation. From making sure your passport is valid and confirming your itinerary to bringing necessities like a phone charger and umbrella, just in case, we've created these travel checklists for planning and packing. It's also critical to remember that some destinations require COVID-19 testing, health screenings, and/or temperature checks prior to your departure flight, upon arrival, and/or throughout your stay. Rely on an expert. Travel consultants or trip guides, connecting you to the world through recommendations. From destinations and all-in-one resorts, to the more specific restaurants, sightseeing options, complete vacation packages, and even trendy hotspots, a travel consultant does it all. As the world reopens for travel, it can be difficult to keep up with which areas and countries are accepting visitors. Let alone the complications regarding local restrictions, travel regulations, and finding places to stay with increased safety standards. It's enough to make you want to stay home even after months of wanting to get out. We can help you navigate all of the rules and solve any problems you come across either before or during your vacation. The last and the most important tip for traveling in 2022 is to stay safe. We all have enough of this situation and could quickly get too relaxed with taking necessary precautions while on holiday. So, be sure to follow the guidelines for being safe, wear your face mask, wash your hands, and keep your distance. And, well, don't forget to enjoy and have fun during your 2022 travels. Hope you enjoy the video. Please subscribe our channel. Thank you.